Now, what you mentioned product, like what aspects do you guys cover? Like what do you cover and what does that mean?
So from my experience, I've seen a few different kinds of products claims. A lot of them are injuries from medical products. Some of them are injuries from cosmetic products. And then there's also normal household products, like cabinets falling from the wall and chairs breaking when people sit in them and things like that. And I typically do cases with normal household products.
Okay.
Because I found that when you get into medical products and cosmetic products, there's like a whole new body of law that covers it, and it's a real specialty in my opinion, or a concentration that you really have to have a lot of experience and almost have that be the only field you do to really be competent doing it.
So, walk me through, like, so I walk into your office and like, and this is probably going to put you on the spot a little bit, but like, what do you what are you listening for? Like, how do you process or evaluate, so to speak, a case? I walk into your office, or what are the kind of questions you want to have answered that you want to understand?
So I usually explain to the client that what I do, and then we go from there. And I basically tell them that I'm a personal injury attorney. I charge on contingency, so I don't get paid unless I get you money. And then I have this really lengthy questionnaire I go through to evaluate whether it's something that I could even take on. And I always make it sure to let the client know that I'm not guaranteeing I'm taking your case at that first meeting, but I'm basically screening it to see if it's something that we might be able to make money off of. But with that said, I found that always knowing how the accident happened is very helpful to determining whether to take the case, the severity of the injuries, how long ago the accident happened, to see if there's any gaps in medical treatment. And with the product liability cases, whether the client actually has the product is an important thing for me to take note of in the case. Or if it's a premises liability case, whether the client has a picture of the defect that caused them injury is almost always a dispositive factor in me taking the case.